Ckickasnap is a revolutionary photography and art sharing site that shares its profits with you, the creator, and it's free to sign up. Think about it. You spend thousands of pounds on equipment, hundreds of hours creating awesome images, then what do? Upload them to Facebook, Flickr, pay to upload them to 500px and other sites. You might think, what's wrong with that? You get likes and views and a boost for your ego maybe. But these likes and views on your photos earn these sites tons of money. And the moment you upload them to these sites, you kiss goodbye to your image rights. The ownership is transferred and they can do whatever they want with your work. You've probably heard of Spotify, where musicians get paid when somebody listens to their music. On YouTube, people can earn thousands for their videos. Ckickasnap works in exactly the same way. You get paid when people pause to enjoy your imagery, and in other ways too if you choose to take up the opportunity. The site earns money from various sources, including image sales, paid accounts, advertising, and a percentage of this revenue is shared with you as your photos or artwork is viewed. It's really simple to use. You set up a free account and can post up to 7 images a day. Currently you only get 7 per week on a free 500px account. You share your photos around or just wait for people to view them. But if you tell people they're there, you're obviously going to get more views. You earn a percentage of Ckickasnap's revenue whenever your photos are viewed for more than 5 seconds. And right now, average page view time is 37 seconds. And when you hit the cash out limit, the money can be paid direct into your PayPal account. Sign up to a Seller or Pro account and upload as many images as you like, which you can sell as downloads, prints and other items. You can chat with other photographers and artists in the feed and add backlinks and RSS to promote your website. Pro accounts automatically email your followers each time you post to get you even more views. Images shared to any site can be subject to copyright theft. Ckickasnap is constantly working on its watermarkless image protection technology, such as its print screen disable feature, which helps protect you from this menace. And Pro account holders automatically benefit from these features at no additional cost. What's not to like? You keep all the rights to your photos and you can only gain some cash. Can you get that on any other site? Join this growing community of photographers and artists now. Ckickasnap is new. It's not quite one of the big boys yet, but there once was a time when YouTube had just one video on it. I truly believe in Ckickasnap. It's authentic and it's becoming the place for photographers and artists to see and be seen.